Yo, what's good? It's your boys, Young Hove, in the building. I finagled you niggas. I finagled the bagel like my Bodega Boys niggas say. You know what I'm saying? I got Chala Copper album with me on it. You shouldn't have copped any albums of mine since Kingdom Come, but now you did because B's on it. Yo, B, thank you for letting me rock. I just gotta inflate your numbers a little more, you know what I'm saying? Yo, listen, man. It's the #1 podcast in the world. It's rock. That's right. Yo, we're doing numbers. If you niggas is on title, you'll be doing 85 million listens a week. That's right. You know what I'm saying? I'm manipulating currency like China. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of here. I got social anxiety, man. And I got natural hair now, so niggas is cooking me on the socials. Holla. It's episode 113. Is it 113? It's a 114. Oh my God. My anti-anxiety meds got me forgetting shit. I'm sorry. It's the rock. Holla. Bodega Boys.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh, I hate Jay-Z. First, this nigga cheated on Beyonce and he don't even know what number podcast it is. It's episode 115.
Yeah, it might be 115.
115. That nigga
yeah, listen, you know what? He got rich nigga problems. You know what I'm saying? That nigga gotta go home. Maybe the Blue got butter on the Basquiat. Nigga live a different life.
Yo.
I'm trying to have his problems.
He's like, yo, I'm just trying to shoehorn my way into a Beyonce album.
Yo, B, where's the twins? I lost them again. Meek says he's gonna watch them. Yo, it's episode 115.
Yeah.
All the way live for 115.
Yeah.
Also live, yo, listen.
Yeah. Clink, 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 clink.
Okay, Red Bull Studios, baby.
Yeah, you hear that?
This ain't cheap. This ain't your baby mother's ex-boyfriend's studio that he set up in Eatable Projects with mad egg cartons on the shower curtain,
And
he's making Auntie nervous because she has agoraphobia and the thing's coming at her. She feels nervous. She doesn't want to have her nipples out. Now, this is a real studio. You know what it is? 220 West 18th Street. Do the drunken drop. It's the most dangerous podcast in the world. Most dangerous boys in the building.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys in the building.
Oh, my God.
You know what it is. We got to do the rundown. You know what it is.
Oh, my God.
Mike Francesa, calm down. Calm down. There's no gorillas around here.
A gorilla.
Yo, I say we shouldn't do the AKs, but if we don't do the AKs, that's like watching Law and Order. You don't hear the doink doink. Come on, you gotta listen. Some things is you gotta have that. It's like where the crowd would be like, yo, when they cheer for too long. When what was the mother's name on Family Matters?
Loretta? Damn, no.
I think it said Loretta.
I think that was her actual name.
Yeah, I think that was with her grandmother. No, what was it Harriet?
Harriet.
Yeah. Harriet the Dub. Yo, it's your boy D is nice. Yo, how they have so many kids?
Yo,
the father was just fucking like that?
Yo, son.
I
Dubs be fucking. Dubs fuck the most.
Damn.
Like when you get two dubs together,
there's the title of this show.
You know what I'm saying?
Dubs be fucking. Dubs be fucking.
When you get two dubs together, bro, it's just like fucking-thon, my G. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Fucking it up. Yo, it's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Fat Like Cheerio, aka Chris Astro Slinger, Eli Lippy, Bucci Booty Goes, no, your bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rando. Give me some free chicken Nando's. Been showing you off for too long now, all right? You gotta pay the piper. 1994 in Nueva York, Mikkel going off the Juve boss, MC Lugo Gunga P, put up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
Nah, I don't know you at all.
Matter of fact, I got an Uber pass, so for 28 days, I get unlimited rides. So do not talk to me.
Don't talk to me.
Because I'm just counting the savings at this point, all right?
Different levels, my nigga.
All right? Listen, you fuck around, I'm going to bring a red onion salad in that Uber pool. Call me a terrorist. The original +1 got +1. So don't make a fuss, son. These Rossi and Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young It goes Mufasa, Young Chakuni with the Kuni, a.k.a. Chile Lemon, have the reliever for the Yankees. Okay, you see how good we are this year?
Yeah,
you know, faster to 100. You know what it is? A lot of cocaina and margarina. Vice K. Marco Zaka, 3 phone Joes, Jesus, A. Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups. Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute before you put it on your poop when it's going to burn. Diana the Trapio, Mr. 240P, because like my Pinot Blurry. A.k.a. DJ Woman, you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got Sharifa. She needs a boss.
Need somebody
that's real gangster.
Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasper in the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain. I'm just busting out the Tupperware like, ha ha! The human meme, word to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcause, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human weather's melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck's on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Sayers, your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. No more cup of noodles. I'm not getting sodium. I'll pick them up in the supermarket. I look at it and I'm like, damn, I can't eat this no more.
1 gram of sodium?
My body's like, chill. You got reasons to live. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. Will you make cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar? Forget the small change. Give me big money and wine. Or you can use Cash App to send money to your big mompies.
Yo.
So please do that.
Yes.
Okay. The anthem suit is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one top left. Chill, Rizzuto. Holy cow. Yeah. Mr. Southpaw, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Hey,
David Urban. These Sphinxes. These is bloody shoes. Smoke Heem, no, still smoking it.
Yeah, that's right. It's 70 mil a year.
You know what it is. It's Andrew Cunanan. Yeah. Ooh. Let's do some poppers and then I'll kill you. AKA that Junior Energy guy. Come sit down, pop me charger.
Sit on it.
Call me Petco because I got your Vuitton freeze. Let's shop in that street easy like a bad breeze. Like I'm easy. Please believe in the black Asia addict. He'll crack your back like automatic crap man. Mr. Lamarino, Mesmerino with a freshman and a cold demeanor, AKA a problematic bay. Wow. Yeah. And my problematic view for the day is white kids should not be allowed in the NBA draft.
Shut the Grayson Allen. Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA
Who we know.
Yes.
Listen, all the storylines are getting wrapped up in the final season of Desus Mero.
This is it, bro.
Okay?
That's it.
if you asked about what happened with this person, everything gets torn up.
Wait until you see what happens with the smoke monster. AKA skirt loader, have the fucking curb, hit your dog, nigga, keep it moving. AKA I the fucking baby, I fucking man.
We got to work on that hit the dog shit. I'm sorry. We're not going to get protested by PETA. We've come too far.
They're going to be like, fuck you, Gucci man. Like, throw fucking...
They're going to throw red paint on us. I'm like,
yo, what happened?
these are white Yeezys. What the fuck
is wrong with you, B?
They're like, it's Mero's fault. I was like, it's AKA. He's not really going to hit the dog.
I'm not really going to do that,
He has a dog.
Come on, we just signed with a major deal. Come on, stop playing. AKA, check the guest list again, man. I'm on it, and I don't even need to be next to nobody because
we ain't on guest list no more.
Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? We are the guest list.
My face is the guest list.
That's it.
My face is the guest list. Is also a place for you to sit.
Yeah, sit on it. AKA CC Beth, yeah, AKA, you know what I'm saying? I just had Virgil come mentoring my kids in finessology. Pretty soon, you could be buying $700 applesauce that says applesauce in quotes. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, AKA Bitch Smack Beyond, AKA Digging Your Baby Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me.
It's reach capacity.
Okay? Mola Soca, AKA... Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the Accord. And I don't even care, nigga, because I'm at the fucking Benzel Bush, nigga, counting the Benz next week. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. AKA the Dominican Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again, nigga. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both. You know who the fuck I am, nigga. I know you see the fucking New York Times piece, motherfucker. Woo! Stop fucking playing. Woo! You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. So Danny. Let me black out. I'll kiss a girl in the mouth and pretend I didn't remember it. AKA Light Nail Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
Is it?
I can see it in your eyes. That your broke ass ain't got 5. Damn, this nigga came through with some mango pina, nigga. What is that?
How you don't got 5?
Damn, bro. What the fuck? This nigga came through with the Mitchell and
Get
Ness
your life
weed?
together.
Yo,
what the fuck?
grow up.
There's 3 of us here. We go. Nigga, it's not 1996.
Stop.
This is.
Don't even say the word Trey bag to me. Stop. You know what I'm saying? AKA
only Trey I want to hear is Trey Young.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Bridger, got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying, but still winning the AFC. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, especially your Milky Way and your panties. You know what I'm saying? When you take them shits off, you know what I mean? It should be mad creepy. AKA Friday on Messi, MVP of Gelato, you know what I'm saying? I got no goals, about to take this L, but fuck it. literally. AKA Daniel Bettyfield, I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah, I dare you to smug with me at Mama Sushi. Shout out to Ingrid for sending me a picture yesterday being like, yo, I'm at Mama Sushi. I'm like, yo, you the one on Dykeman? She's like, nah, I'm at the one on 147. I was like, you're not really at Mama Sushi.
Right.
Stop playing.
How many Mama Sushis are there?
There's a couple. I think it's 2.
There's a couple of them?
But the one on Dykeman is the flagship.
You know what I'm saying?
It's the flagship.
Put some respect on it.
Put some respect on that shit. Stop playing. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your scalp with that of Tamagotchi 69s so you can show solidarity with the LGBTQIA community during Pride Month. You're welcome. Stupid, now you're woke. AKA, open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, and secure your benzos, because you know who it is. It's the Zen Man. It's coming out with AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport. You know what I'm saying? We smoking jewels now, you know what I'm saying? Because like my man said, we got reasons to live, you feel me? So it's a little vaporizer now, you know what I'm saying? It's AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down, AKA live from Payomatic on East Tremont, opening the door for customers. It's the East Tremont Stevie B, doing all his hits like Dope Sick Love, Come Back to Me, and I Wanna Be the One Your DD is sucking, AKA listen, man, I've come from across the pond, mate, to tell you who it is. It's the plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, narrowly avoiding being shot. Hey, pull it up from 40. It's your boy Barmelos Anthony
For 3.
Splash.
Bang!
You know what I'm saying? This shit hit the back of the rim, but fuck it. AKA, if you see me at Target stealing a vacuum, do not yell out loud, damn, but y'all niggas just signed with Showtime. You could buy like 10 of those. You don't know my life. Approach me like a fucking bear. You hear me? A Earthside mammal. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off wiper fluid and cola champagne talking about, yeah, skirt. Ooh, help me solve this problem, my nigga. What is 2 divided by 2? What? AKA, Hasan. Tírame la fucking pista, coño, que llegó el hijo de FIFA. Que fue, dime a ver, pero guayazo, coño, llegó el hijo de FIFA, el más duro, el cuarto bate. Este jueves estamos en Yankee Stadium de Zacatao dando jonrón. Y tú te quedaste ponchado, mamá huevo. Prende la luz que está oscuro.
Yeah.
Episode 115.
All the way live for 115.
You know what I'm saying?
Did you know 1 Juul pod is equivalent to 1 pack of cigarettes or 200 puffs?
God damn.
Yeah. Watch out with them things.
Yeah, no, one of them shits lasts me like a fucking gazillion.
Them shits is, that's the new wave, though. It looked like, I'm like, why all these niggas is sucking on USB sticks? But nah, that's the youth culture.
Yo.
You culture them.
Yo, you could either smoke the shit or put your fucking mixtape on it.
See?
You know what I'm saying?
Back in my day, we didn't have jewels. We had to make jewels out of wood. Back in Jamaica. You know how back in like DR, you make a soccer ball out of rags and shit? That's how we make our jewels.
Yo,
you ever seen a jewel made out of mango skins?
Huh? Motherfucker?
Mango skins and goat testicles? You know how hard it was to charge it up with kerosene?
Yo.
Yeah, no, my struggle.
Yo.
Way back when in 2005.
Niggas connect the shit to a generator and shit. Like,
I was like, we didn't have micro USB, we had USB. The kids are like, whoa.
Oh my God. Whoa, you're crazy. This guy's wild.
Listen.
The biggest SD card you could buy was 4 gigabytes. Oh my God.
There's a humanitarian crisis going on, and you know, we don't often talk about serious things on this podcast, but we're jumping out of haha clownery mode to serious to talk to people about the disgusting practices that's going on with our government.
That's right.
Backwoods of $16
That's
in
right.
New York.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Have you lost your fucking mind?
Yo, y'all niggas are crazy.
I might cry.
Yo, that's crazy. It's crazy.
I might legit call Senator
I might
Gillibrand's
cry.
office.
Cynthia Nixon, save us!
Now I know why Fat Joe told me to move to Jersey.
That's fucking crazy. I was in the bodega and I walked in and it was like, it looked like Grand Theft Auto. It was about to be a riot and Poppy was like, calm down. Yo, you calm down. Because I was like, what's wrong with it? I was like, why are they all aggy? I was like, yo, we got a box of Entourage. He was like, $16, my friend. I know. He was ready for it, for the smoke.
I know.
And I looked, they had like price tags on everything, like to let you know that he wasn't making it up. And then he showed there's like a poster about the new law that they snuck in last year. I don't know what we were doing, probably or dabbing and eating chopped cheeses. Well, they snuck this in at midnight. Cynthia Nixon, fix this.
Yo.
Cynthia Nixon, if you fix it, if you promise, I don't care if you fix the subway, just reduce the price of backwards. Matter of fact, if Cuomo runs on that, he won. She could legalize weed. She could do everything. Nah. Because what's the point of legal weed if you have nothing to roll up with?
Come on, B.
The fuck?
We not smoking bowls, dude.
You know, are they going to talk about this is bigger than the opioid crisis? I mean, I don't mean to be facetious, but this is
it's a lot. It's a lot.
We got to do something about this, man.
You can't do it.
And shout out to everyone. People's going to be like, yo, you know, use natural papers. Shout out to, you know, raw papers, the homies. Yeah. Or people be like, yo, do this. Listen, I'm from the Bronx.
Yo, you gotta smoke a blunt.
Okay, you gotta smoke a blunt. It's not about the weed, it's about the communal aspects of it. Bruh. You have to have the little bit of nicotine in the paper. You know and also, Entourage and Backwoods are the best way to share a blunt because the high temperature of it, which burns your lips, also burns away the herp.
That's right.
that's why you can share it with nasty
you don't
niggas.
exactly. You know
Exactly.
what I'm saying? You just swing the blunt. You don't care who hit the shit.
You don't care.
You know what I mean?
Nigga come with a wild cold sore and shit. You be like, you don't even give a fuck.
Shit! Like, damn, you got 3 cold sores at once.
Nigga ashed the blunt in his cold sore.
He's like, yo, you good? I'm gonna put the shit out. I'm gonna clip the shit.
Yo, we hit this later.
Just
shit.
pus bubbling and shit.
How you feel about the NBA draft?
Yeah, shout out to Kevin Knox.
Kevin Knox.
Yeah.
Let's go. Listen,
I'm not mad.
I'm excited.
I'm not mad.
I feel like there's gonna be a problematic night where someone gets too excited, makes a Kevin Knox and KP poster, and the 3K's a little too close.
Yeah, KKK.
And I'm drunk, and I'm like, whoa,
hey, pal.
But then all the Rangers fans are like, I dig it.
I fuck with it. I like
They're
it.
gonna come with like a KKK Rangers jersey. So support for the backcourt.
Yeah, it's good. You know, what I mean, if it would have been me, I tell you what, I would have drafted Grayson Allen out of Duke. High character guy. Oh my God!
Grayson Allen went to Utah.
Who could have predicted that?
That's like if you went to a restaurant and out they brought steamed cauliflower, mashed potatoes, and a big cup of milk. It all goes together.
Yeah,
it all
enjoy
fits.
that. Enjoy this beaver cleaver dinner. Nigga. Why do white people drink milk with dinner? Do white people drink milk with dinner still? Is that a thing?
You know what? Call us up. Call us up and let us know. White people, you out here?
Yeah.
Drinking, you know what? I used to love a glass of milk after school.
Yeah.
And then I got hit.
Yeah.
The man hit me with lactose intolerant,
like, pow,
which
hold
I
up.
remind you, the white people invented lactose intolerant to keep people from to stop the revolution.
That's right. You know
That's
what I'm saying? Because niggas
That's
love
it.
ice cream and shit. And
And
then
think about the foods black people love. We love pizza. We love mac and cheese.
Oh,
And we don't love
man,
regular
baked
mac and cheese. We love greasy mac and cheese. We like mac and cheese with four cheeses in
You know
it.
what I'm saying? Man, shit on some, sprinkle shit on top of
When
the
you
shit.
cut into it, it sound like pregnant pussy.
Yeah, like.
Ugh. Did you see Mike Francesa's tweet yesterday?
What do you say?
Sad to see Dante didn't.
DeSenza go to the Bucks. Would have loved him in New York. He will be a terrific pro.
Yeah, you would love him. You would love him.
Dante DiVincenzo.
I was like,
is that your nephew, my
I was like, Dante DiVincenzo. Like, first of all,
is that a Sopranos
he's a
character?
white, of course.
Oh, come on.
I was like, also, that name sounds completely made up, like it's from the Bodega Boys.
Come on.
Listen. And on that note, we'd like to introduce a new character.
Dante
Dante DiVincenzo.
Hey, how you doing?
Anthony's best friend.
Hey, this guy's strung out on dope. But,
Hey, Anthony, how you feeling?
I'm all right. You know, I'm still shooting in the gym here.
Hey, I heard the library's unlocked the back door. We could go get some copper pipes.
Oh, nice. Why don't you go ahead and do that? I'm gonna stay here shooting in the gym. I'm trying to get drafted out here.
Yeah, no, come on.
Nah, I'm good.
You got the high hand. How about you do a high bag?
Listen. Here, take this spoon. Go out back. Do what you do. I'm gonna keep shooting my free throws over here and playing scrappy defense and having a high basketball IQ.
The story of Dante as he rose from the slums of Staten Island. Is he from? No, he's from.
I think it's from like New Hampshire or something.
Actually, he's from Newark,
Oh, okay.
Delaware.
It's in Newark, Delaware. Yeah. I thought, damn.
I was like, damn, he's from the street. Nah.
Oh, shit. He's from Brick City? He's from next door to Red Man?
His nickname, Big Ragu.
Oh, wow.
It gets better and better. Hey,
hey.
Big Ragu coming up
Hey.
Big Ragu looking like my Nana sauce coming up the lane. Whoa.
Hey, get out of the way of the brush hole. Huh? You don't want to catch a fucking pishkadil to the face.
Listen, you don't want to have a bunch of Italians in Massacre with the Italian flag. Like, we already got the. Listen.
Chill. Like, yeah. I feel, and you know what's funny? Of course, Kevin Knox got picked. Knicks fans traditionally booed him. You know what I'm saying?
As is the custom.
Yeah, you have to. Like,
As
the
is
Knicks
the
could draft
custom.
LeBron, and so you got to boo him.
That's what it is. It's hazing.
Yeah.
It's people are like, yo, y'all stupid. Y'all boo
Boo,
KP.
boo.
KP is a better player today because we
Because
booed
of
him.
that. You know what I'm saying?
Because think about it. Hardship equals excellence.
That's right.
That is what it says on
Builds
the big
character.
spoon on my parents' kitchen.
That's right. Same one you got your
All
ass
right?
with.
It was like, yo, you could get love and hugs and acceptance, and that will make you a person.
Yeah.
But if you just get a cold in the back,
Yeah.
and no love,
Fuck out of
you're
here.
a better person.
Builds character.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
That's why we boo.
It's like your immune system.
That's why
baby.
we boo. Boo. That's why we boo. Boo.
Check it out.
You got to boo every draft just to make
every
it
nick.
today. Who was that? That was MC Hammer.
Damn, man.
Well, MC Hammer going to as a. That was Prey. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hasan got the vibe.
Yeah. He's like, yo, I got the remix on deck too with fucking JT Money.
Yo, I think it's time for a Hammer renaissance.
Yo, I think
he
so.
could come back if he was just to link up with like some strategic rappers or something like Trippie Redd or something.
Yeah, like fucking. If MC Hammer comes out with a joint with Tekashi,
oh wow,
and she calls just your Hammer. Oh man, Blinky with the hammer. I'm too legit to quit, nigga. I'm running in my booty shorts, nigga.
Oh shit. Yo, rest in peace. This guy,
Triple X,
him and Joe Wapo from Pittsburgh as well. Two rappers.
Damn.
That was the first time two rappers died on the same day.
Oh shit.
That people know of. I'm sure.
Wow.
Lots of rappers have died.
That's wild.
Yeah, that's wild.
And it's crazy because like I knew the Triple X dude died, but the Joe Wapo dude, I had no idea until Wiz Khalifa tweeted about it.
And shout out to homie John Geiger. Tweeting about it. Shout out to Pittsburgh. You know, there's the Berg.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. They arrested the guy that, it looks like the guy that killed X. It was like just a random robbery and some shit.
What?
That's wild.
Yeah, because I seen homie's rap sheet was just like mad armed robberies and like whatever. Like,
listen,
that's crazy.
Y'all niggas need to stop not blaming any, but not victim blame. I'm just saying, like, if y'all running around with like duffel bag full of money and do an Instagram full of money, like, you know the thing is, you see a lot of people with duffel bags full of money and guns, and it's just like you might not get a chance to pull that gun.
Yeah,
so
that gun got the pin in it, homie. You got to take the pin out in the safety first.
As a lot of white and black accountants would say, your money's probably safer in the bank.
Yeah,
and then you could just carry a debit card.
That's it. Then if you,
but it's not flex. You can't just like chicks don't get. You can't flash a debit card on Instagram Live. Like
guess how much is here. Yeah, you're like boop 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 boop. Your account balance is 18 million.
Yeah, that's not the same flex.
It takes mad long.
You know what I'm saying? It's not the same. You can't do the money phone thing with a debit card.
Nah.
It's just stupid.
Dude, you just like niggas are like, what is that? Is that a razor?
What are you doing? Do you have water in your ear?
What is wrong with you? You got swimmers here, my G? What's going on? Use a Q-tip. Actually, don't use a Q-tip. It just pushes the wax further into your ear.
Remember, we were shooting the reboot of Yo MTV Raps, and we played Don't Anyone Steal This. It was a little thing called What's in Your Pockets, where we asked rappers what was in their pockets.
Yep.
Duh.
And all of them came out with, hey, we got the blue faces. We got mad blue faces.
Shout out to Migos, who came with at least 30,000 each in their pockets. I was just like, wow.
Okay.
And who was it? From the man, was it the Millie Rock dude?
2 Milli.
2 Milli, shout out to 2 Milli.
Yeah.
He came through. What do he have in his pockets? A debit card and a Metro card.
That's
we were
right.
in LA.
Yeah,
That's a New York nigga.
Yeah.
All right?
He's like, nah, I ain't getting caught up out here. You crazy. You're like, I niggas wild.
New York niggas take Metro cards everywhere. I took a Metro card to the VMAs, nigga. You ever know? Sometimes you come out, your car ain't there. How else you get home?
Yo.
Also, you can use your Metro, if you're a West Indian, you can use your Metro card as dental floss.
That's right.
That's right. You can do it right there on the train. Look people in the eye like, what you look?
Yeah,
I paid for the card.
Yes, it's my card.
Don't do that. Dentists right now are cringing.
Like, no, oh my God. It's terrible for your gum line.
Don't do that.
It's terrible. Do you know that if you keep your gums healthy, it'll extend your life by at least 15 years? My dentist dead ass told me that. I was like, wow, okay.
It's true.
Listen, your gums are your friends.
Thank you.
The gums are your friends. Think about like people who don't have like teeth.
Yeah.
How you look young, you look older because your face is sunken in.
And shit,
Society treats you different.
Yeah, they do.
You can't like talk if you have like jacked up teeth. Listen, your teeth are your friends.
The only thing you can do is open doors for people at the bodega.
There you go.
That's your only job.
Shout out to our new sponsor, Desus and Mero Tooth Savers. Okay, we have discount dentistry because all the dentistry is done by our fathers.
You know what I'm saying? I'm
sorry to say we cannot provide service to LGBTQIA people because our fathers are
very problematic.
Yeah, very.
I was like, hey, puppy.
You know why your teeth like this? Because you're always sucking a dick.
Whoa.
Sir, just pull the teeth.
Dad.
That's a child.
That's
a child.
That kid is 6. You can't call him a maricon, Pop. You can't do that.
You know, you don't have no insurance. What do you want?
Please.
My father's using his own tools that he made. I'm like, did you get that from Is that an adjustable wrench?
Fam.
He's like, the teeth coming out, coming out.
I was like, papi, you use duct tape. It's like plastic. It's okay. You put it on the pliers. That's it.
You go in there, you get your teeth done. There's just like four West Indian men just standing around with your teeth open, like,
with their hands on their hips.
Like, you try to buy cuspid? Oh, the molar. Oh, go inside. Pump the gas until I tell you to stop.
Go.
You ever did that? When your father tell you to step on the brake light and then tell you to stop? And he's like, you're stepping on it wrong. Like, how are you stepping on the brake light? How? How?
You said you press it with your
But
foot.
you inside the car, so you talking cash shit?
Yeah.
Like, fuck you. I'll step on whatever brake like I want.
Yeah, you roll up the window for you.
Can't wait till I get older than you and I'll beat the shit out of you.
That's your teenage logic. Like, us.
I can't wait. But one day you're gonna get smaller than me, and I'm just like, damn, this nigga's still big like a gorilla.
Oh my god!
The other day I was like, damn, I can't wash my pot for shit. It's tight.
Yo, I was telling fucking the other day. I was like, yo, I touched the back of my neck. My neck was mad stiff the other day, and I was like, yo, it's still a little pliable. I was like, yo, I touched the back of my dad's neck.
No,
like,
no give.
Yo,
no give.
None.
Straight Thanos neck.
Fam, I'm like, yo, you got a steel plate in your neck, my nigga?
I'm like, yo.
He's like, no.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you have the comfort and the time to have the stability in your neck. Must be nice. I had to give rid of it in 21.
Yeah. Oh, you sleeping with pillow at night, motherfucker?
Must be nice.
That's nice for you.
I'm like, what?
I sleeping on a pillow. Hey, motherfucker. And I shit in a hole outside.
Last time my father visited me, I was in the basement. And it was late at night, and he was stomping around upstairs in Tim's, and I came upstairs like, yo. I was like, yo, what? You walking? It's like 4 a.m, and you walking around the house in Tim's. And I looked, and it was just his regular feet. I was like, wow.
Yo.
I was like, yo.
Fam, if you put like if
you put lotion on my father's feet, that shit is like sizzles, like water on a manhole in San Antonio. Shots of Pops.
No, I just remember I'm like, yo, my mom used to put lotion on my pop's feet when he used to come home from work. And I was like, yo, a man's feet are still like cinder blocks. Like, it didn't even work.
The lotion's like, what exactly you want us to do here?
On. There's only so much I can do.
It's like a construction worker in traffic. Like, whoa, what do you want?
What do you want from me?
Listen, I don't drive the crane. Go around. The street's closed.
Hey, look, I'm just
you can't pass through here. You see the traffic cone?
Come on.
Fine, it's your car. You want to get it scratched up?
You do your thing. Hey, look, I'm telling you what the stop sign says. Stop. All right.
Man. It says stop. Hammer time. Look, hammer's right there.
Shout out to that dude on the construction crew. How do you get that gig? Being a flag guy?
The flag guy?
Paid $90 an hour plus fucking double overtime and a half and shit?
But you know, there's a good chance you get killed doing that. No, like that's a high.
Mad high risk.
Because people panic when they're driving.
Right.
You've seen it.
Yeah.
You see, like if people are used to something and now you're like flagging it, and like sometimes people don't listen, and like some people
Harrison Ford it and just jump out the whip like, yo, what's going on here?
Or people who like they ignore flag guys. I see that constantly in Williamsburg. People are like, nah, I'm going down the block. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
And the other's like, yo, there's a crane right there. You want to fuck up your car? Fuck it up.
Listen.
Fuck it up. Fuck it up.
Listen, when you're driving past them two Hasidic niggas and that fucking crane fall on your whip, don't say we didn't warn you.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
And you're like, yo, that's kind of cool how they still have on the traditional Hasidic clothes, but they have on a hard hat.
Over the fucking future hat.
Yes. I like this.
I'll fuck with y'all.
I was like, yo. I was like, how can I get down?
Yeah. Let's burn some bread. Let's get it. let's hop on the bus to Monty.
Yo, let's burn some bread. What? Celebrate the Sabbath.
Yo.
Hey, yo, you came up. Went to Purim. It's our new rapper, Juiega.
I walk home because I can't work. I need to call him to open the door for me.
Yo, Joey know this and Joey know that. No foreskin. Juiega. It's just Nori with the girls. Somebody photoshopped that. That's the cover for this episode. Juiega. What? Yo, I ride a candle. Neptune's got a cocker spaniel.
Yo, what?
I got a nice house, and it's like I have a house available if you want to run out the bottom.
No, I'm saying, but you can't live here. Only if you got the girls like me. What? We got the whole town locked down. What? Might fuck my cousin, nigga. What?
You want to do work on the Sabbath? I don't care.
Niggas fuck me up when they dead at the key fobs in Startown.
Wow. We talk a lot about Jew shit on this podcast. If people were like, what is this? It's like Bronx shit, Jew shit, and just immigrant shit.
And then miscellaneous.
And ass eating. A lot of ass eating.
Yeah, that's what we're industry plans. You know what I'm saying? Because we're chosen by the...
Us, Rory, and Tekashi 6ix9ine are industry plants. Sorry. I would just keep it funky. Not Joe Buttonsori.
The barefoot guitar guy.
Barefoot,
Yeah.
funky guy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Who I met at the Industry Plant concert. Oh, man.
Yo, you know his industry player because his mom was mad nice. She
Yeah,
was
she was like, I'm so proud of him.
I'm so proud of him.
Nah, if your mother's in your life, you're not going to be successful in the music industry. Get the fuck out of here.
You knew that resentment and anger built up.
So mad.
Yo,
So
I
mad.
wanna die. Remember that song? Remember that song? Do you wanna die? Remember that shit?
No.
I'll treat you well. Toadies, Possum Kingdom. Damn, alternative fucking Victor don't even got the fight for that.
You're on your own.
Yeah, you're on that. But you know what?
Yo, white people help me.
Speaking of white people, a new report came out today that said, for the first time ever
More white
in the
people,
history
yeah.
of the United States, the white population has dipped
It's
for
declining.
the first time
Yeah.
ever.
More white people are dying than are being born.
Damn.
Is the stat.
And the saddest part of that means white genocide has to go on tour now. So people can enjoy it.
right now.
White genocide!
Loyal to your brotherhood, we're dying in an army.
Why are there so many brown kids?
Oh my God!
We must secure the borders!
Build the wall!
Build the wall! Build the wall!
Just a headbanging and shit.
Everyone's like, I'm not listening to white genocide. They're problematic. I can't believe the Bodega Boys would work with that as their name.
I can't believe that.
Guess what? Guess who's doing our new beats? One Kanye. How you feel?
Stupid.
He's a free thinker.
Yeah, that's right.
So if you want to come to the white genocide album release party, come to Wyoming.
You know what I'm saying? Fly
Just,
you out.
just fly to Wyoming, just be a black person at the
That's
airport
it.
and be like, hey,
Yeah.
take me to the ranch where the black people were
That's
born.
right.
I'm
You know
sure
what I'm
you'll
saying?
end up there safely.
Pull up.
Pull
You know
up.
what I'm saying? It'll just be us. You know
Who
what
else
I'm
we
saying?
got on the album? It's White Genocide. We got J. Cole.
That's right.
J. Cole's on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Dolly Parton.
Dolly Parton.
Who's some strong right people we should have on it? We got
the Beer for My Horses guy.
we got
Keith.
Richard Spencer. He got a freestyle
Oh
interlude.
shit, yeah, he does.
Pretty good.
Spoken word.
Yeah. It's called Pepe's moment. Hey, cool cats.
Yeah.
And alt-right people too. Not for the Jews. A lot of the alt-right people, I'm like, aren't you Jewish?
Yeah.
Like Stephen Miller, that little fucking weevil.
yeah.
Who he was trying to get Mexican food. He got like booed out of a Mexican restaurant in
get him outta
DC.
here.
Shout out to, I don't know if it was a DSA or the LSA, the Democratic Socialists people or the Libertarian Socialists.
I was gonna
whatever.
say lipstick alley.
Yeah. No.
I was like, what?
No.
I was like, what? The Democratic Socialists?
No.
They're both equally.
No.
Those are very opposite ends of the spectrum.
Oh, no.
Yeah, DSA's over here talking about like fucking like, hey, how do we socialize healthcare? LSA is like, yo, my wig has been snatched.
Unacceptable.
Yo.
I was just thinking, who's the first? No, damn, we can't do that because. I was just thinking about what rich people we should kill when the revolution starts.
Oh
but-
yeah. Probably like we should start
Should,
at
is
the
it
top.
Elon Musk we going for first?
Yeah.
No, because Bezos has the most, right?
But he's Brolic. He's like the final boss.
Yeah.
Like you do.
He's
Musk
144 bill.
Yeah.
Elon is. Elon is 21.5.
Yeah,
That's a good start.
But he got more like super.
He got cars and
qualities.
shit,
Yeah, he
yeah.
got cars and he put them
And
in outer
rockets.
space and rocket. Yeah, he's doing the most.
How do we start the revolution?
Killed with body Bill Gates. Steve Jobs already perished.
Nah, but Bill Gates is kind of helping out.
Yeah, he's
He's carrying my
He's coming
shout
He's
out
like
to-
old school. He's like an old school rapper. He's not doing dumb shit with his
Okay,
money.
good.
Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are like they doing money phone shit. They got big chains and shit.
yeah,
They getting like face tats. I don't know.
Yeah,
But,
Bezos is really dressing like he's ready to do a SWAT sequence.
How do you start the revolution though? Like it just takes one person, right?
Yeah,
You just you gotta talk other people into it.
you gotta murk somebody to show niggas you're serious, and then you talk them into it. You know what I'm saying? Like you got like, yo, we're gonna.
But the time in between the two, you gotta do it like right away.
yeah, like yo, bring fucking whoever the fuck. Yeah, bring Bezos over here.
Who is some
Chop his wig off.
if someone kidnapped Jeff Bezos and beheaded him live on TV?
Yep. Revolution ignited.
Starts?
Yeah, immediately.
I don't think so.
I said that with a J.
I don't think so. I don't think Americans. I don't think we're not
bang
fucked.
with Jeff Bezos like
We're
that?
not. We're not fucked up enough in the game to revolt.
Oh no.
You have a nice TV.
Yeah, dude. No,
You got the World Cup.
You know what I'm saying? On the phone.
Got Locksmith. He's holding it down. You know what I'm saying?
saying?
I got an Xbox. I guess.
You out here doing it? You know what I'm saying? Still got the
Things have to be really fucked up for a revolution.
And it's crazy because the wild. It's wild. Sorry,
It's wild.
It's April's
No
term.
problematic terms.
It's wild because having our background and like I feel like we would resist more than your average. You know what I'm saying? Like Yakub. You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? If you're third generation Yakubian, you've been here for mad years, you're mad used to drinking milk with dinner and like having cable since you was a baby and like, you know what I'm saying, your mom gave you a car when you were 16. You know what I mean?
I'm mad you said cable since you're a baby, like that was a flex, and in my mind I was like, that is a flex.
That is a flex.
Damn.
I was like, nigga, I didn't get cable till I was
Yo,
like
if you had
a senior
cable
in
all
high
your
school.
life,
Fam.
you rich ass nigga.
You
Still
rich.
remember the smell of the cable box.
Yeah,
Exactly.
when it first
The
came.
plastic off.
Yo,
All that plastic.
Fam.
I was
Yo,
like, is this vulcanized?
Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't like when Victor talks, because we got to do the proper intro for Victor. Victor got to be like, I don't like, and then the crowd just like, woo!
Yeah! Like when Cody
Victor,
Butler comes in.
yeah!
Yeah!
Woo!
Yeah!
Someone throws a panty on the microphone, like, shit.
It's like
Everyone's like,
when, show.
when's he getting his spin-off?
Oh.
It's a new spin-off coming on ABC Friday nights at 8:30 p.m. Victor.
Young Victor.
Never that.
Victor. Hijinks ensemble when Victor finds out who's roommates with a monkey that hates soccer. Uh-oh.
My catchphrase is going to be skedaddle.
Mr. Bongos, I'm supposed to watch the World Cup tonight. Skedaddle.
Yo, first Botanicas are like, yo, leave my monkey alone, nigga.
I'm like, this show is terrible. #1 show in America. Shit gets renewed on the first fucking night.
Yo, that's my dream.
100 episode order. We in syndication already. Let's get it.
Victor don't even come to the podcast no more. I'm like, wow, this nigga changed up. And then what happens? What happens? The monkey tweets out something racist.
Wow, racist.
Yeah, the monkey's like, yeah, that's why there's so many single black mothers. You're like,
Oh,
wow.
Whoa. Okay.
Mr. Banana with controversial
Oh
tweets.
my God. Mm-hmm. Strange. He's from the Democratic Republic of Congo. And
His
he
last
has
tweet,
these
that's
problematic
enough,
tweets.
Beyonce. Everyone's like,
Whoa.
Victor has to have a press conference like, I disavow myself from this monkey. I would
I've
just
been
like tell him
distancing
out to
myself.
remember better monkeys. Rest in peace, Coco.
You know what I'm saying?
We have the wild anime sweat bead.
Oh, the monkey.
And then it just flip it like my feet are in the air in like 2 frames.
Oh,
On the
man.
next Dragon Ball Z. Will the monkey apologize for basically making a racist comment?
I didn't make the comments. They're just tweets. They're just tweets.
Just relax.
So might give me another banana.
And the monkey turned into Little Sam.
Oh, shit.
Yo.
Shout out to the sponsor. Your man Mero is over here smacking up on the special lean. Wait, no, it's not lean. Oh, the blue edition Red Bull.
Lean edition. This shit does look like lean. Don't even gonna hold you.
It does.
I'm
You look like
the Honda Accord doesn't have self-driving, but it does.
you look like you look like a future if he was a guidance counselor. Just like kids are like, what should I do with my future? He's like, choose the dirty.
You're crazy sensational.
I choose the dirty.
Yeah, over you.
Dirty.
I'll choose to write you a letter of recommendation, but I won't.
Oh man.
Because I'm off them teams.
Drake album dropping soon.
Yeah, Scorpion.
Scorpion.
Get over here!
Ah, is that what he's calling his kid over? See, listen, that's what it is now. Every time you hear a Drake song, in the back of your head, it's like, you got a kid. You got a kid. You got a kid.
Oh, God.
Deadbeat motherfucker playing Border Patrol. Ah!
Oh, no!
See, it's just like when people just take a pin and they pop. It's like finding out if you think like some rapper is like wild gangster and like he's mad scary and doing wild threats, and
you see him get duffed out.
or like you see him walking up the street and like he sees a Yorkie and he like jumps up on a hydrant. Yeah.
It's like, remember, it's like when Suge Knight got duffed out.
Yeah, then
was
it,
like the
it
legacy-
changes.
yeah, bro.
The energy is different now.
That's it. The mystery is, the magic is gone, B.
Yeah.
It's like seeing a titty for the first time.
It's like, I love that song, Free Smoke. But now you hear it and there's like an asterisk there, like limited terms and conditions. Free Smoke available on Monday mornings from 8:15 to 8:45 with proof of purchase.
Children do not eat free.
No. Must be redeemed by May 15th. No more free smoke.
Yeah, no.
It's a special condition smoke.
You would read all the
Or the
conspiracy
6 to 8
theories and
weeks
shit?
to smoke.
Allow 6 to 8 weeks for delivery.
Smoke on demand.
Yo, shit comes USPS.
Oh man.
Mad duct tape around the
Shout to USPS, which got the. It took me 20 years to realize this. They have the app. And you can like change up shit. Yeah. You can pick if you just be like, yo, I don't give a shit if my package is there or not. Just don't sign. I don't have to sign for it. Just leave the shit. Yeah. You tell them leave in the front yard, backyard, garage. They got some. I don't know what kind of houses people got because they got some. They're like leaving in the carport. I'm like,
what?
It's like shit. And they actually have an option for you to put your security code in. So they can punch in your security code to put your. And you can have. I know. I'm not gonna say the race, but I know people who have UPS come into their house and leave the packages on their table.
That's wild.
I'm like, you're doing too much.
You're doing way too much.
You're doing too much.
The last UPS guy that came to my crib was a Puerto Rican dude with straight backs. You're not coming to my crib. You're not coming in my crib.
Come through and take the wild dump.
Yeah, nah. You're not coming to my crib.
All your Fortnite stats is different.
Like, what? I'm like, what? Like, yo,
how long was this nigga here?
Like, yo, who drank half this bottle of Henny and just left it on the counter?
This nigga smoked 2 of my $16 backwoods?
No!
Nigga, I'm running out the street like Terminator 2 down there. I'm chasing down the first UPS shit.
Just hooking onto the back of the shit.
I remember rest in peace to my Jetta when I was driving it from the supermarket and I knew a package was coming. And I saw a UPS truck go into my block, and I gunned it. You thought I was like on some Ferris Bueller shit, and I cut it off to get in front of it, and he just looked at me and kept driving. He didn't even stop at my house. He was an asshole.
Fuck you, nigga.
But it was worth it.
You know what? Delivery till 8. Guess when you get your shit, nigga? 7:59, motherfucker.
Niggas could kick my package like from the front, like pow.
Nigga just pump the shit into your fucking.
Nigga playing World Cup with my fucking package, like go,
Golazo!
I was like, that was my mama's China.
Nigga bicycle kick the shit into your window, smash the window. Shit hit your mom's in the head like.
Ref gives my mom's a red card and shit.
Flopping. Down a man.
Oh shit! Someone throws a banana. They don't throw bananas in the World Cup though. Shout to them.
Yeah.
Also, because it's in Russia, there's no bananas.
There's no bananas in Russia.
Putin hates bananas.
Nah.
He's terrified of
They're
them.
throwing potatoes on the field.
And magnesium. Just throwing like heavy metals from the periodic table.
And rich uranium and shit on the field. Like,
shit.
Hold that too.
Oh, shout to Russia.
What if Russia wins the World Cup?
They probably are going to win the World Cup.
Yo.
They're going to win the World Cup and they're going to be like, what? Do something about a pussy.
Was good.
To the rest of the world.
Good.
And we're just going to be like, all right, World Cup was fun.
All right, fuck it.
I knew it was out of control when Russia was like, yo, bring a Vuvuzela and see what happens.
Watch. There's this dude just going around as a bear sticking potatoes on
every now and then you hear someone, you be like, and then they just got dragged to Siberia.
Like, no! They just throw a black bag over the nigga's head. Like,
yes. End up sanctioned. You want that, huh? By an oligarch.
You bring fucking Vuvuzela to game. You know what happened to you. You disappear.
There's not a lot of places you can bring a Vuvuzela also.
Nah, you can't.
Like, they don't even want it at soccer matches.
Nah.
Bring one to a baby shower. Nah, I'm going to bring one to your kids' bar mitzvahs. When they're reading.
They're like, is that the shofar?
They're like, he's going to do this the whole hour?
Like, oh, yo, damn, how do you keep... You got to have wild lung capacity.
Yeah.
Like,
the way I smoke, I'm like... And coughing up the wild, heavy black phlegm. Like, that's the kind of phlegm you look at. You like, damn, I should see a doctor. But then you cough up more phlegm and it's clear. You like,
I'm good.
Oh,
I got that out.
Oh, we back in business. Yeah, nigga.
I got the fuel injection cleanser. Nigga.
I got that feeling.
Ow.
Listen,
my phlegm be looking like actually looks like the Mucinex characters in the commercial.
Come out.
Yeah. Every morning, I spit out like 3 of them niggas.
Like,
hey, what's going on, pal?
One comes out with the fitted, like, yeah, but not like a fresh fitted, like the old 1970 Dusty's Woody Allen fitted. Like, hey, you ever saw Raleigh Fingers throw a pitch around? Huh?
I saw Satchel Paige pitch once when he was admitted to play in the league, you know.
I used to play baseball when there were only 3 bases. How about that? I had regular seats at the Polo Grounds. If you ever hear someone talk about the Polo Grounds, you're like, damn, how old are you, nigga?
You old as fuck.
I like you talking about like
Trump Rock, nigga?
Damn. Treat him right.
Meet me uptown by the Polo Grounds.
Damn.
I'm saying?
That's back.
Trump Rock.
Life was different then. Like, that's back when like you'd be like 30.
Mm-hmm.
Or I guess you lived to like 40 or 50.
Yeah.
And then died.
I was like, good.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, he lived a long life.
Yeah.
He lived to the ripe old age of 33.
He bought a car for like $1,000. The shit was like straight steel.
Buy a crib for 5 G's. 18 bedrooms. Like, yo.
He's got 4 kids and shit.
My grandma was like, yo, I bought this house in 1960-something for $70,000. I was like, what? I was like, this shit is a whole house.
My
like,
parents bought a 5... Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 floors, 2 apartments on each floor.
Like,
do the math. Right by Fordham Road.
That's
Give me the price. Give me the price. They bought it in I want to say 1980.
Oh, so that's
now think about it. This is when the Bronx is burned out.
Yeah, it's bombed out.
Burned out.
They got the shit for like $5,000.
They weren't even collecting garbage anymore.
$5,000.
20,000. They got a 10 apartment, and we lived in one of the apartments. 10 apartment building for $20,000. And here's the best part: half of it was subsidized by the government.
Oh,
because they needed people to buy property.
Yeah, them checks don't bounce.
And then they built Fordham Plaza.
Yeah.
And my father flipped it. And that's why my father wears a tight gold chain around his thick Jamaican neck. Right? Ask him. If you ever see a man that looks like an older version of me in out back in Florida, ask him about that flip.
With the chest out.
He'll have on sandals.
The shit's under like a cage. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah. That was back in but that neighborhood was rough as shit.
Oh yeah.
Like looking back at photos, we basically lived in a war zone. If you lived in the Bronx back in the day.
Oh, fam. If you lived in the Bronx in the 80s, you basically lived in like.
Even some parts of the 90s, you was just like. Oh, God. Like, that shit was like. Sometimes that's why I play Call of Duty. I'm like, it reminds me.
It reminds me. The Karachi map.
Drone Strike. I remember playing with my little AGR. Just me and my robot killing niggas.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, man. Playing on dirty mattresses and shit.
Pissing on a dirty mattress. You know, man. You shouldn't. You know better, but you got to do a flip on a dirty mattress.
You got to flip on a
Just got to avoid the piss stain.
Yeah, that's
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Put two of them shits on top of each other, flip the shit to the non-bloodstained side. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. You good. Open the hydrant up. You know what I'm saying? Drink from that shit. Mm-hmm. Just sit in the fucking shit like over the sewer grate.
The hydrant just running for weeks. And they drink from it like you don't give a shit. Niggas washing their possum in it.
Yo.
Google the lady washing her possum in the shit.
In the fucking fire hydrant.
You know what? I didn't want to bring this up because it's like our personal business, but it's kind of fucked up that, I had my fashion show yesterday for Louis Vuitton, and you didn't say thank you. No one.
Oh shit!
Nobody here wants a bigger guy up.
Yo, Virgil. Yo, the finesse guy, bro.
Yo.
This nigga finessed his way to the top.
Shout out to Virtue.
Yo.
Shout out to Virtue.
Wow,
and all my other Jesus lookalikes out here.
Wow, man.
Wow.
He really finessed that.
Listen, we finessed the bag. It's time for us to do the what? Listen,
it's time to
it's time for the Desus and Mero clothing line. Hood by Air. Watch out.
Yo, watch out.
Watch out.
New creative directors of fucking Chanel.
Okay.
In the building.
Listen, y'all never seen the quadruple strap on?
Nah. It's like you fuck 4 joints at the same time like a hula hoop.
Shit sound like a wind chime? Yeah. You got all types of shit.
Yo.
Birkenstocks for your titties,
you know
mom.
Was good. Mm-hmm. Watch out for the buckle, you know what I'm saying?
Croc.
Your nipple ring.
Croc lingerie. How about that? You want that? Stockings with the Crocs already built in? It's real sexy.
Antimicrobial.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
We got to take shit that's regular and people don't like and just make that like everyday fashion. Oh, no, we're just going to make sexy scrubs.
That's it.
Ooh.
That's it.
Why should your scrubs just for being pulling blood?
No.
And hanging blood? No. Now, what about formal scrubs for on your night out? La Marina scrubs?
Yo, day to night scrubs, yo.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Like,
sexy scrubs.
Hello. Like, I wear different shoes to work, so I wear a different outfit, but like, I switch my shit up. Like,
that's literally the ad on the subway. Like, I switch my shit up. Get you a girl that could do both. It's just her scrubs at night and in daytime.
The only thing is the zipper. Pushes down, reveals the cleavage.
They've got like, because you got to have like sexy shit on the scrubs for like Bronx niggas, so it'd be like a chopped cheese.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know
or like a dime bag. Yeah.
Boy.
Or like fresh Timbs out the box.
Woo.
Listen, we got some shits.
A little brush, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. We got Carhartt panties for all my female construction workers.
You know what I'm saying? That burlap feel good against the choach.
You know what it is. You don't got shade because I've been just walking around all day, wears the shit down. Yeah. Like steel wool. That's right.
Yo. Damn,
we got, I know you got to say some wild shit. You gonna fuck up this bag.
I was like, you know what? Chill, man.
Probably like
it's like when the T-Rex is coming to Jurassic Park, like, and the niggas watching the water, like, oh no, the problematic shit is coming. No!
Don't do it. Oh shit. What else we got to do? We're gonna do Air Force One sandals for guys.
All that.
All that.
You know what I'm saying? Fucking
we bringing back hush puppies sandals.
Yeah, remember those?
Yeah. Remember that? Remember
fake Wallabies when your parents was like, yo, no, I'm not paying $100 for the Wallabies.
That was such an iconic moment in Harlem culture. The fucking hush puppies and derbies.
Oh, man.
All out here looking like Ben Vereen on the block.
You know what I'm saying? Like out here, nigga, like we're about to tap dance across the Broadway
ain't worthy
stage.
to rock my derby.
Catch me in Jersey, smoking Hershey. Yo, that girl was not 19.
Problematic.
That was the one problematic shit.
Problematic.
Yo, I'm like, yo, every single album that came out before 2010.
Every guy. Wow, problematic.
Wow, problematic.
Oh, no. It's not funny, but someone was seriously hurt in a crash out where? Victory Boulevard.
Hey,
Shout out to Victory Boulevard.
Oh, it's not my fault, I was trying to get the Julio, and then this guy just jumped out in front of me. I think he was a seamless delivery guy, some shit like that. Sorry. Had to keep it moving, though. I need that bag. Come on, officer. My God, officer, you're my dad.
It's not funny. I think someone died, but Michael Anthony, stay off the road.
Stop it. I'm sick.
Oh my fucking God, Michael Anthony, what is this dent in my Prius?
Oh my God, you crashed the Avalon.
Michael Anthony just walked away from the shit like,
Hey, fuck the Avalon. My guts hurt.
Oh man, shout out to this person. I hope they be all right.
Yeah.
Shout out to SI Live,
Yo.
which sounds like Saturday Night Live, but no, it's Staten Island
Staten
Live.
Island Live.
Staten Island Live. It's like,
Hey. Oh.
all the news you need.
Hey.
Oh,
Madon.
hey. A lot of news. What you need to find out.
Hey. I go in your brother's house smelling panties.
Hey, you give us 24 minutes. You give us 22 minutes. We give you the world. Oh. Shout out to all my New Yorkers that know that. Why they got it in the back? Like they're in the news? I'm like, yo, fam, you're in a digital studio. Relax.
Come on, you don't got to do all that.
John Mentone for 10-10 wins. Here from Syosset. Sometimes you want a nut. Sometimes you don't. Today I have an interview with a squirrel that's found its way into the hearts of local residents.
Up next, we have Joe Sobo with the weather.
I'm like, bro, this is wow. We just listen to the news all day.
Yo, I'm like, yo, does that shit drive you nuts? Because I'm like,
eventually you forget it's there.
Yeah.
It's just on. But shout out to, because you got Waze, you don't care anymore. When they do the traffic report, they never say the road you're on.
Nah.
They would say they're like, yo, why is there so much traffic on I-87? They're like, oh, Route 217 route in Jersey. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
Who is that? Who's there?
No one's on that road.
It's heavy traffic coming into Syosset. Like, nigga, what? Like, who's going there?
They're like, and the BQE is a parking lot. I'm like, it's always a parking lot. Like, come on.
Hello.
There's certain roads in New York that you're just like, yo, there's gonna be traffic.
As soon as you cross the G-Dub and you get on across Bronx, you're gonna be sitting there for at least 20 minutes.
Cross Bronx don't go nowhere.
Like, come
It
on,
don't go
dude.
nowhere.
It's just you put your shit in neutral and just let it roll.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Get
Sad.
off, drive alongside the service road. You know what I'm saying? If you know how to finesse it, dip through the Parkchester McDonald's parking lot.
You give us secrets. You give us secrets.
Hit the 3rd Ave exit. Yeah.
And then the Van Wyck or the Van Wyck.
Yeah.
Depending on how rich you are, how you pronounce it.
Wick.
I say Van Wyck. But that there's always traffic on it because they've been doing construction on it, and also they did that stupid air train.
The eternal construction.
The air train that doesn't go nowhere. Like,
Yeah.
that shit is whack. But
what is the point of that shit?
they were like, that's a quicker way for you to get to the airport. It's not. Like,
Fam.
you gotta use your Metro card. It takes money off your Metro card. It's a
First of
stupid
all,
shit.
fam, if you're taking public transportation to the fucking airport, you shouldn't be going wherever the fuck you're going. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Wow, relax. Wow.
Save that money, get a Metro.
Relax, Imelda Marcos.
You're too poor to be traveling.
Wow. Wow. Emperor Mero over here. He gonna start dressing like Michael Jackson. Matt Pitts. Like, should be traveling. Nigga just walked through the terminal kicking people's suitcases and shit.
Fuck you, broke nigga.
Oh shit.
Yo, I'll be like, yo, I like this Hudson News, Shamon. Buy mad king size candy bars looking for get on the plane. It's just $5 each. I don't even care.
Nah. Wait. Was that Monday? Were we in Chicago last week?
Yeah. What?
Last weekend?
Yeah.
No, the week before last.
The week? Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what time it is.
Yeah, same.
Shit.
Look,
just blurs together. Shout out to O'Hare Airport where me and Mero, not me and Mero, me and Victor, we lived for about 8 hours. We raised kids.
That was harrowing, baby.
It was nice. It was nice.
I was very worried about you guys.
I mean,
So word he got plane and left.
he's like, I miss my niggas. I miss my niggas. Yeah, I got seat IE, so I'm just gonna take that right now. Also, shout out to our stewardess who was kind of like, yo, if y'all niggas die, y'all die. Just the one on the way back, she just didn't really. She wasn't that
If she
about
dies, she
the
dies.
securities. She was just like, yo, this exit's like around y'all. Like, I'm not pointing them out. Like,
Until
I'm
I
not
tried
snitch.
to take a piss when we were taxiing, it's just like, yo, you gotta sit there the whole time, like while you're descending. Like we're on the ground. She's like, it could stop suddenly. I was like, we're going 15 miles an
It
hour.
doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
But-
What am I gonna do? Fall over? Like tip
She
over?
scolded me back to my chair. I'm still tight.
He got up, but the way she scolded him was like, she was just like, you can't be up. Like, sit back. No, sit back
No,
down.
stop.
The other ones act like the air marshal will shoot you. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Yeah, sir.
But also,
Damn, bro.
you know, what airline was it? Because the overhead compartment above me was broken. And
Delta.
Ooh, the ghetto.
Oh, yeah. Shout out to
God.
Delta.
How
Yo,
you got the overhead compartment in first class broken?
bruh?
People listen to this are like, wow, they have changed.
I
The
fucking,
stuff they beef about on this podcast has switched.
nah, facts. But hey, you know what I'm saying? The globe is real.
It's called growth.
Serious question.
Yeah.
You guys ever think you go back to economy?
Hell no.
Hell
nigga.
no.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Don't do it.
Nigga, I'm 6'something with bad knees. 6 foot something.
I mean, I don't want to be messy, but economy and slavery are no different. I just want to throw that out there.
You know what I'm
I am.
You under you in steerage? Shit like, yo.
I am the Harriet Tubman of economy. I just want my niggas to reach first class.
That's it.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying?
Follow the drinking gourd. Pass that curtain. Okay?
Only nigga
We can
in
all
first
live.
class.
Oh, man. No, economy works in a pinch, but then you be tight. Because, like, the only thing that works if you're in the economy, you just think about the money you're saving.
Yeah,
You're like, all
that's
right.
it.
Other than that, you be tight. And also, economy is an insult to the common man and woman because they're like, yo, would you like half a soda and maybe 4 nuts?
Maybe, nigga.
That should be enough for a
Stupid.
4-hour flight, you
Here,
piece of
This
garbage.
is fucking nut-free cookies.
If airlines really cared about people, they wouldn't let first class people on first.
That's true.
Let people board from the back of the plane
the
forward.
front, yeah.
And they're going. I know you people are like, Jesus, what about the storage? First class storage is only for people in first class.
class, yeah.
You're not gonna get regular steerage
Nah.
in there. Yes, I called you guys steerage. So let's do that. That would make more sense.
Yo.
But no.
Shout out to Delta though, because like when I got on the plane, niggas tried to make me. They were like, "Oh, your bag is bigger," and they gave me like that little pink like
Gate
you're gonna
check, yeah.
I was like, "Nigga," threw that shit over my shoulder, like, "Fuck out of here."
In
nigga.
some cases, the gate check can be faster. Also, shout out to gate check at JFK, who on Monday when I gate checked and I was running late to here, I opened the thing and the guy was like, "Yo, we getting art?" I was like, Bodega Boys, my nigga. I was like, "Damn, y'all niggas is everywhere. Y'all niggas is everywhere. Y'all niggas, if you're Bodega Hive, could you just get like art emoji tattooed on your face
on your face
so I
we
know
know.
in the street when I see you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember Death Wish when the gang had the red line in the middle of their head with the two things? Do something like that.
Yeah.
That stands out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So we know.
We're doing
I can't see.
we did
from there.
Bodega Dreams and then we did what was it after Bodega Dreams? We did Bodega Bucks, Bodega Dreams, and now we're doing Bodega Ruin Your Life.
Yeah.
All right,
Get a
so hit
face
us
tat.
up. Tat us. What's the worst thing? What's the worst possible thing you can do to ruin your life, and we'll give you money to make it happen.
Yes.
Is it get your ex pregnant?
Yep.
Boom. There you go.
Get a couple face tats.
You know what I'm saying? If you want to become a bad Tumblr photographer and just take pictures of women in potholes with
Yes,
traffic
sir.
cones on their head,
And quit your
with a
fucking
muffin
hedge
on their
fund
titty, put some mustard on the areola.
Yeah.
It's art.
It's art.
It's art. She's like, it burns.
Yo, if you eat this Timberland on the train while you sit on a slice of pizza naked, it's art.
Please,
What?
put your tongue by the third rail and splash some of the dirty water on your butt. Yeah. Don't steal any of these ideas. Trademark Bodega Boys.
Would you? How much money would it take for you to take for somebody to squeeze a sponge in that puddle and just squeeze it into your mouth?
Wow.
You don't have to swallow it. You can spit it out, but it has to stay in your mouth for at least 15 seconds.
What kind of freak hole you think I am? Spit it out.
I mean, listen, we grown up, so you can pass. You can actually throw a skip card down and be like,
Skip card?
I'm not doing that. I'm beyond that.
Because I'm trying to think, like, how sick could I get?
Yeah.
Because I need enough money to pay off, like,
The
because
hospital,
I'm definitely, there's going to be, like, fucking, there's definitely heavy metals in
Nigga,
there.
there's A through Z coli.
Yeah, I'm getting all the hepatitis. That's the plural of hepatitis, right? Hepatitis?
Hepatitis.
Come to the stage, the hepatitis.
Sounds like a Greek god. Hepatitis.
Actually, the hepatitis. The hepatitis was the name of me and Mero's doo-wop gang back in 1950s. We performed at we weren't that popular because we'd only perform at segregated
Yeah.
places. I was like, y'all niggas can't eat here. Hey, y'all niggas can't eat here.
Hey.
Someone get the dogs. The hepatitis.
Hey, here comes the fire hose.
Oh, watch out, blacks.
Hey, hey.
They don't know how to act.
Hey.
Someone get the dogs. That was my very unpopular ad lib.
Yo. Oh my God. That's what. Oh my God. That's what. Yo, fam.
We just gotta do a movie where
That's why I feel
we
like
gotta do Quantum Leap. We gotta remake Quantum Leap, and we just get put back in situations, and we just don't know how to act.
Like, yo,
Imagine me, you in medieval times. I'm like, what the fuck?
yo, y'all
They're
really
like,
gonna, yo, you're really gonna cut this motherfucker's head off?
I was like, wait, y'all think Jews is poisoning your wells?
What?
I was like, nah, y'all shit in your water supply. That's what the problem
That's what it is, bro.
The fuck is wrong with y'all?
there's
Why y'all
doo-doo.
bother with the Jews?
There's doodle in that water, bro. It looks like lemon. It looks like an Arnold Palmer.
Also, y'all could there's mad surfs. Like, if y'all wanted to, y'all could overthrow this nigga. Why y'all pick the rashes and let
He's
him get the
wild
money?
fat, B. They wild inbred, bro.
We just go to different periods of time. We tell people the truth and get back in the booth. And
like, yo, the royal family's mad inbred. They all have they're all hemophiliacs.
gotta go.
Bye.
Nah.
All
Get to the
you
Guardian.
need is a pitchfork.
Yo, Eve. Don't touch that snake.
Yeah.
Don't touch the snake.
Sure.
Fuck that shit.
Yeah, fuck it.
Put some clothes on, too. I'm slut shaming, but I gotta go. Bye.
This nigga's like, I didn't appreciate that.
We go back when Noah's building the ark and shit. He built the ark. He's like, I got all that. And it's like, bah, 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 bah. We hear that, you know that noise from the fucking, this is like fucking Brugal music and shit. We've built a bigger ark with a lower carbon footprint and solar panels. Oh, your animal's gonna get on that raggedy ark over there? We got a luxury ark over here. How you feel? These are Mero, luxury ark.
Luxury ark and shit.
The giraffes are like, oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, they have an entertainment team.
What, is that a deck?
Oh, my
Okay,
God.
wow.
Oh, is that, are they
They're
current?
like ripping up the tickets they have. Noah's like, what the fuck?
Yo, what happened, B? Yo, it's gonna rain for 40 days and 40 nights.
Yo, God told me to build this. Don't go on that over there.
Fucking giraffe is like, nah, they got hookah over there, man. Nigga, I'm out.
He's like, no, man, what's wrong with Mar? Oh, you just here from Mar shit. One hop this time. This penguin's on the shuffle deck.
Hey, to the left, now dip.
I'm like, yo, this shit is popping. Sorry about y'all. Shit's whack. I kicked the shit, bad twigs fall off.
Shit is a booze cruise for a month and a half? Yo, that's lit. You know what I'm saying?
So it twerks, it jumps off. We gotta bring the shit back to port. Problematic light is on. The problematic light is on. The pit bulls are mad. Like, we're supposed to be out here for a week. Why are we going back to the port?
Yo, what the fuck, yo?
Fuck. Boo.
Oh, fuck out of here. Buy one of y'all niggas, B.
There's mad neurovirus going on, man. Niggas is sick. Niggas hit turbulence and shit. Man, animals with animal packs in the fucking ballroom and shit. Like,
Oh, damn, bro.
we got no more fresh water.
Yo, I don't know. I got some Vicks Vapor Rub for you.
I'm
here.
like, yo, I don't know. The hummingbirds got water in their eyes. Drink that. Like, shit, we don't go back to Pangea for another 4 days.
Come on,
Like,
man.
how you feel?
Like, come on, bro. Just relax.
I just built the ark. We was just trolling Noah. We didn't really think about this.
Matter of fact, who's driving this shit right now?
I don't know.
Gazelle?
Okay, shit.
Oh, shit.
Gazelle fucking got a jewel. Like,
Ooh, it's cucumber flavor.
what's the best flavor of Jewel?
Cool, man.
You know who needs a Sewell Jewel? Jewel.
Jewel. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to her. Had a little
She got
snaggle
nothing
tooth.
else going on, right?
Did she fix her teeth?
She'd lose her charm. I hope not.
Yeah, right? It's like Renee Zellweger, like.
Snaggletooth charm.
Yeah.
Wow, you and Google are up to no good because you said that and it suggested
autofilled?
She said, sorry, haters, my teeth don't need fixing.
Oh.
That's right, baby.
talk.
And when I say baby, I mean the chick from Dirty Dancing. Fixed her nose, ruined her career.
Yeah, yo, shout out to Jennifer Grey.
But she did get him. Ooh.
What she got? She got a 5-album deal at fucking with Cash Money?
Did she get her? Oh, she got her teeth fixed for. Oh, no, she did get her teeth fixed. Oh, wow.
Oh, she didn't.
No, she did.
Oh, she did. Oh, so
She played June Cash Carter in Lifetime's Epic.
Oh.
She decided to trade in her signature teeth for a new set of straight choppers.
Oh my God.
I feel like Lifetime Epic is an oxymoron.
Yo, Lifetime Epic. Yo, you fix your teeth for a
Oh, no,
Lifetime
no.
check?
It's prosthetics.
Oh, okay.
All right. Damn, they got a
Damn,
photo gallery. Celebrities who refuse to fix their teeth. It's all white chicks.
Wow.
It's all white chicks.
Wow.
There's white chicks. Even Fabulous fixes teeth.
Wow. Yeah.
Nas fixes tooth.
Nas, yeah.
Fabulous fixes
Yeah.
tooth.
Who is the rap game got fucked up teeth still? I mean, they don't fix them.
Shout out to Charissa, who I mentioned in Watch
Okay.
FM. She got a whole new set of chompers when she
Okay.
had I Need a Boss.
Shout out to her.
Shout out to her. Who
You know
else?
what I'm saying? Nori got veneers, I think. Pretty sure.
Yeah. A lot of rappers giving theirs. I don't knock that. I don't knock
Shout
that.
to Young Thug.
Yeah.
I'm like, your teeth can't be that white.
Kid
And you
Cudi.
smoke- Yeah.
Kid Cudi got the fucking Sims joints.
Oh,
like his
I
shit's
need
like-
those. I
he's
can't
like,
wait.
He got this shit. I'm smiling even though my father died. Shit. It's like,
You got the linoleum shit. This nigga teeth of vibranium.
he got the teeth you can bite through a bike lock. 23 skidoo.
Yo,
Oh, wow.
Shit. Nah, damn. Yeah, nah. I can't wait.
Can't wait. You getting teeth done? What you gonna? I'm gonna get diamonds on my teeth.
I'm gonna get Mike Francesa's teeth.
Nice. Nice. Nigga got the WFIN teeth.
Oh my god, a gorilla!
Make my teeth look like a gorilla.
A gut with a gut was smooth.
Oh man.
Mero, you should have just gotten whitened. You're trying to be like me. I'm a god.
Of course, my Francesca would tell you to whiten your teeth. You're not low.
Your teeth are a little,
That's what happens. If your teeth are too brown, they're not gonna
shut it down.
they're not going to they're not gonna run out to first.
They're not gonna hustle it first. Yo, your man really said, your man called in and said, "Yo, is Ichiro Suzuki a first ballot Hall of Famer?" He's like, I mean, in America, no, absolutely not. I was like, yo, this nigga, you didn't even try to hide this shit.
No,
like,
he just said, listen,
bruh.
that's why I like him. He says what we all thinking.
He's like, are you gonna count his hits in the Oriental League? If
He was swinging a chopstick. Oh,
Like, yo, damn, Mike, chill.
damn, Mike.
He do too much.
WFAN. Yeah, that's why they call it WFAN. Why? Because you guys are all fans. Think about that.
Oh God.
Who? Like I was gonna say, who could replace Mike? Mike Francis is never leaving.
Never.
Never.
Bruh. Never.
He's gonna die in that studio, and they're gonna keep it. Just with a battery in his back, keep him going.
Loki is like, as Yankee fans, like I feel like we would both be okay with Derek Jeter still playing baseball for the Yankees and starting
Yeah.
at second base.
Yeah. And you know what? And if he did one of those weak jump throws, and it just didn't matter.
Didn't matter.
Captain, my captain, yeah.
My captain.
Get him, Jeets. Yeah, Jeets. Yeah.
Jeets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's
Remember
go,
the Chicks he banged
Cheetah.
like 2 decades ago? Yeah.
Yo. Man, this is like 58 years old now.
But that was just like, yeah, you see the chicks that Derek Jeter ran through, like they have those women have kids. Okay?
They're great kids now.
They got grandkids and shit. Like, he was with Alyssa Milano. They're like, who's that? You're like, you ever seen Who's the Boss? They're like, what?
Whoa, Samantha.
You don't know about Angela?
you don't know Mona? Samantha.
What are these words you're saying?
Mona.
Who's the boss?
Yo, Murphy Brown's making a comeback. Tony
Murphy
Danza,
Brown's coming back,
you know what I'm
but we need to reboot not Cagney Lacey,
saying? Kirstie and Alley.
Kirstie and Alley, yes.
Yes, or Katie and Alley.
Katie and Alley.
Kate and Alley.
Kate and Alley,
Kate
because it
and
was
Alley.
about 2 divorced women.
Yeah.
So we got to be 2 divorced dads raising kids in Connecticut.
Yeah.
That shit was
In the
depressing
suburbs.
as fuck.
Yeah, I'm like, yo.
Even the color palette of the show was like very brown and
Yeah,
sad.
like man, sepia tone.
Yeah.
And shit. Like, why does this feel like the Great Depression?
It was like this show was recorded in front of a depressed audience. Like, damn.
Brought to you by Zoloft.
Oh. Just the whole shit was this kid sighing like, I miss my dad.
You know, Kate and Alley were fucking on the low though. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? They was going down in the basement like, kids, go to bed.
Yeah.
We're gonna go scissor.
We're gonna go look at foliage. That's all there is to look in Connecticut. If you live in one part, of Connecticut, you look at foliage. Look at the other part.
You're looking at a gun barrel, nigga.
Hope you got yours because I got mine.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like the gun wave in New Haven.
The mayor's like, we're not called that.
Well, that's not our name. That's not what we're known
It's not a
for.
license plate.
We're the Constitution state.
Constitution got a gun in his hand. Like, yeah, nigga.
Second Amendment, nigga.
That's right. Tread on this, nigga. I'm just a bill with that blinky. There's been episode 115.
Yeah. Still getting live.
5.
In the war.
1-5.
Yes.
Yo,
Yo, what's good? It's Hurricane G, yo. Yo. Episode 115, yo. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Hurricane G for being like the original Yesenia.
Yes.
She had like the Yesenia flow. Like,
Easy early on. We have to do a BET. We're gonna do a Bodega Boys Awards. Give her a lifetime achievement.
lifetime
for it.
achievement.
We're just gonna have like mad rappers come out and do Hurricane G songs and shit.
All 10 of them. Yo, respect.
Respect the art. Respect hip hop,
Hip-hop.
real hip hop,
Hip-hop.
not that fake shit. What's that? What's fake hip hop?
Machine Gun Kelly? I don't know. Well, I'll just be like fucking in the same room as this nigga like next week.
He's like, I fuck with you guys
I
though.
fuck with y'all, Bodega Hive.
Oh shit.
You be like, what's up, nigga? I'm like, oh, chill. You can't say that. You can't say that. Stop.
Machine Gun Kelly. Young Gunner.
Yeah, that nigga looks emaciated, bro.
Yo, I feel his last tweet was, I slept on 2 separate airport floors since 5 a.m. this morning, missed our flight. Just trying to get to Cleveland and spend my first Father's Day not on tour with my daughter. Oh, he slept on the floor. He had like a song about heroin or some shit.
Damn.
Oh, wow, we got the same last name? We might be cousins. Yo, Machine Gun Kelly,
Holla.
do you got family in Black River, Jamaica? If so, holla at me. Yo, it's your boy. It's episode 15. A.K.A. Dubs be fucking.
Yeah.
Jesus is nice. A.K.A. Young Chipotle. A.K.A. Pakistan Fat Like Cheerio. Key Steps Pro Sling Dick. Eli Libby. Butchers Big. Something that might know your bitch.
might.
Young day party. Young hot take. I feel like I haven't been at enough gay parties, so I'm going to bust out the mesh this
That's
weekend.
right.
You know what I'm
Make
saying?
it
Go up
happen.
there. Young hot take. DJ Fuego. Mr. Nando's. Will Rondo. Again, Nando's. Give me some free chicken meats. Thank you. 1994, New York. Mikkel going off the Juve boss. MC looking compete. Put up for 40 with your shorty. A.K.A. don't talk to you in the Uber pool.
We're not familiar.
I don't know
with each
you,
other.
man.
We don't know each other.
No, original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss, son.
No.
These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pilot, Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chuck Coonery, we're at the Coonery.
Oh my God.
A.K. Chili Malone, left-handed relief for the Yankees. Still
Hey,
okay.
Bobby.
Do you remember that time I threw 152 pitches
That's right,
in
Bobby.
one inning?
Nah, Bobby,
I
that
gave
was
her 10
good.
runs. I was terrible.
That was
I
good.
was so high.
This guy's a star. He's an all right player. First ballot Hall of Famer.
I had a cold sore, so I couldn't even see the plate.
I
you know.
it was hard for me.
I got it from Gloria Stefan. Vasquez Makuzaki, 3-4 Joes. That's
Niggas down there in the sound machine.
Come on, baby. No, that's awesome. It's not funny. She almost died in
That's right.
the bus accident.
Yeah.
And she came back because her back was all broken up and she had that song, Coming Out of the Dark. They actually have a Broadway show now about her and her husband.
Shout out to Emilio.
We're going to do a Broadway show, the Bodega Boys.
Yeah.
But it's going to be about our do-up gang, the Hepatitis.
Yeah, the hepatitis.
The Hepatitis.
Scooby. Got polio, I'm in a wheelchair.
Rosa Parks, get in the back of that bus. Rosa Parks, get on the back of that bus. Someone get the dogs. Jay Chuckles, a.k.a. Stanley Cups, a.k.a. the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
Yeah.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p, because I got my P.O. boy. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listen to Wash FM. Up next, we got 20 hours of who? BJ, the Chicago Kid. You remember him? Wow.
God
Here
damn.
we go. DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx to Leon Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Marino Can't Contain the human memory word, the Jung Aaron, the racist provocateur. That's right.
God.
I sprinkle the racism in everything I do. Henrik Budcuss, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex out there, Ricky, Swami, Greg pull apart, it's kind of moist.
Yeah. Yeah, sticky.
Damn, girl, you've been in the house all day.
Yeah, sit on that shit.
You was on the L train. More say with your chestnut. Why I smell like MetroCard in here?
Damn.
Nasty. Oof.
Fuck it.
Oh, it's about to be train delays. Nasty.
Ooh.
Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
The juice suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn
Damn.
it. The Dun Dada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Cash Nova. Oh, man, Fashion Nova, you disappointed with that men's clothing line. Niggas wanted to have the fashion with our dicks out. What'd you make? What you make? 10 5 cents, $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money.
Big money.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one towel left. Nancy's Marv.
Don't cheese me, bro.
Children Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Southpaw, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny T. David Yerman. These are ketchup, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. So Keem Noah, Andrew Coonan, a.k.a. the Junior Energy Guy. Come sit down behind me.
Yo, sit on it.
Call me Petco, cause I got your bitch on free. Mr. Chopping that street, easy, bad, breezy, like I'm easy. Please believe me, the black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Miss La Marina and Les Marina with a fresh misdemeanor code demeanor, a.k.a. you're problematic as fuck, babe.
Yeah,
That's right.
We problematic.
Problematic, that's right. I'll take all your pills.
Give me that. I'll take them shits. I'll eat them shits. It's episode 115. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Live, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? By the way, this marks the anniversary of the Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Sound Clash?
Just SoundCloud.
All the respect, Trizzy J, put up your fucking hands like this. Fuck Wiz Khalifa. Yeah, this is the fucking one.
Hey, Mix Pack, you know what it is?
Mix Pack in the building. Mix
know what
Pack.
it is?
Big up Mix Pack.
I mean, it's just a SoundCloud because you're just supposed to, just roast it.
come on, cuz.
I didn't take it personally.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here, nigga. You was tight. We saw the camera pan over.
Yeah.
AKA, I know. AKA, skirt on half the curb, nigga. Hit the fucking dog. Sorry, Peter. AKA, I know fucking baby. I fucking mang. AKA, checks like, you know what, nigga? Like my man said, we are the guest list, nigga. Fuck the guest list. AKA, CC Dabath. Yeah. AKA, I just came from Chanel. I bought all my kids sunglasses, so they don't have to look into the eyes of poor regular kids directly. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Biombo, AKA Dick in your baby Motombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me unless you bring me 30 coats and a Toyota Avalon belonging to Michael Anthony. Okay? AKA Bottles Antenna, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel. AKA the Dominican Dundada, Dykeman Daddy. AKA Swipe my card again, nigga. There's definitely money. I stop fucking playing with you. I'm trying to get this Dyson vacuum beat. Stop fucking playing. You're embarrassing us right now. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Let me black out. I kiss your girl on the mouth at United Palace. AKA Lighten Out Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. No shit. My endless blood. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. AKA feel the essays in. I'm trying to explore your cosmos mind, especially the Milky Way down there. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with the discharge. AKA Final Investi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to take this out for real. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? You see me in front of the locksmith passed out with my shirt off, nigga, because Hasan got shit jumping. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston. I'll replace your lungs with 2 Puffco Peaks. So when you use the outdated slang phrase, look at my dab, you will be speaking in the most literal sense. Also, you will be smacked like a newborn baby's cheeks. Smacked. Enjoy. You're welcome. I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know why, nigga? Because it's the Zen, man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport niggas. Got garbage on the way. I got 2 for $5 down here. You know what I'm saying? But I also have jewel pods, cucumber melon. You know what I'm saying? Flavors. AKA Nino Brown, AKA live from motherfucking Western Beef and Soundview. It's the East Street on CVB. I want to be the one your TD is fucking.
Excuse me. What aisle is the Sasson in?
It's man. Hey, you don't remember me? I did Spring Love. I'm doing Freestyle Festival next week.
Wait,
Stevie B.
Were you my homeroom teacher?
No.
From Lima High School.
I was a freestyle artist. Yeah.
No, I can't.
I want to be.
Yeah, I heard you singing that earlier.
Yeah.
The Sasson though. Okay. I'll make it roll.
It's all 14.
Thank
man.
you. Thanks. You remind me of my uncle. That's cool. I'm glad you got clean.
I got my vest on, shit, man. Track marks. AKA pulling up from 40. It's your boy Barmelos Anthony. Bang!
It's a summer league. These don't count.
Yeah. Listen.
Why are you playing with a hoodie?
Well, I'm getting my 40. Right? I don't give a fuck. I'm getting 40 points on 30% shooting from the field. You know what I'm saying? Straight from across the pond, mate. You know what it is. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Smoking dust because I ran out of weed.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? It's Lincoln is living dangerous. Yo, listen, man. If you see me at fucking Target, bro, and I'm at the dollar section, and my eyes are redder than a fucking Asian executive playing mahjong at 3 a.m.
Redder than the devil's dick.
You know what I'm saying? I respect my motherfucking agency, dog. You know what I'm saying? Leave me the fuck alone. AKA, I sold fake Celine to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off melatonin and Tropicana 2% juice. You know what I'm saying? He's talking about, I think I can fall. I think I can. I fall asleep off 16 sands. Yeah. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista. Coño, ¿qué lo que con qué lo que? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, dame luz que estamos oscuros y se acaban la vela. Prende la planta, saca la juca. Bye, andamos rulay, loco. La Copa Mundial, yo la tengo llena de dulce. You know what I'm saying? Put blocks with this weekend, niggas lit. You know what I'm saying? Holla.
Gotcha.
115. 115, mamá huevo. Woo!
You know this.
Bro,
Episode
sweat, bro.
115,
You know what I'm
all
saying?
the way live.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Enjoy the shit.
Enjoy the
Absorb
shit. Another art, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy it.
You know what I'm saying?
Wait, this comes out on Monday, so you know what I'm saying? Still got the number one show late night,
That's
4
right.
episodes left.
Yeah, I mean, couple joints. You know
Couple
what I mean?
joints, you know, going out heavy, going
know what
out
I
the
mean?
top of the game. Enjoy it, baby.
Yeah, it's some motherfucking art. J&B standing in front of us at the Louvre, nigga.
Mm-hmm.
Holla.
We out.
Holla. One.